beauty loves, it's your girl Lakita and welcome back to my channel. Today, honey, we are talking about how I infuse my calendula oil. So for those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by on this channel. I do go over a lot of skincare tips, a lot of beauty tips and lifestyle tips. It's just for us girls and some guys. So yeah, just feel free to just have a seat, honey. Go ahead and get your wine, your water, your tea, or whatever, and we will go ahead and jump right into this. So, like I mentioned, we're going to be talking about infusing calendula oil. Now, calendula oil is something that I use quite often in some of my formulas when formulating my products. So I use calendula oil for a plethora of benefits because it is such a great healing property, a great healing flower. And just wanted to show you my process. You know, those of you who formulate your own products may find this useful, and you just may find this video useful overall. So let's talk about first, what is calendula? So calendula, better known as marigold flower, it is something that I get from Amazon, dried out and already ready to go for me to use. But you can definitely find them growing in yards, and you can buy them and grow them yourself. So you can go to like Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, wherever you want to go to get the seeds, and you can grow them yourself in your own yard if you feel like you want to infuse and use these products. Again, this is something that is used for healing in the body, not just the skin. I use it for the skin because that's what I'm all about. I'm all about beauty. I'm all about skin and the health of your skin. But this can be used as a tea. This can be used in creams, as lotions. It can be used however you wish to use it, as long as it's, of course, ethical and legal, and you can use it to heal different ailments of your body. But for this video and for this channel's sake, we are talking about skin. So let's get into it. So my main reason for using calendula oil, again, is for the healing properties. So when I say healing properties, this particular flower does have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory type of agents in them and benefits in them that helps with skin. So when you think of antifungal, anti-inflammatory, think of skin conditions such as psoriasis, eczema, just things like different irritations of the skin, acne. Just think of things where bacteria may be growing or exponentially, and you need something to alleviate the pain from it, because I am someone that suffers from eczema, and depending on the level of the breakout, it can be quite painful and very itchy. And calendula oil helps with this. Calendula oil also helps with hydrating your skin and helping with the production of collagen. And girl, we all want that collagen because we don't want them wrinkles, baby. Okay, we do not want to look older. We want to age later. All right, so those are some of the reasons that I use calendula oil. And calendula oil can take 4 to 6 weeks when you're infusing it on your own. You can speed up the process by heating up the leaves along with the oil. I do both. I heat and then I let it sit for like 4 to 6 weeks, okay, before I even use it in any of my products when I'm formulating. So I just wanted to just give you a little background of why I use it before I show you how I infuse calendula to turn it into calendula oil for my products. Okay, so as mentioned, I get my marigold from Amazon, and it's very inexpensive on Amazon. What I use is, of course, the calendula better known as marigold, and olive oil as my carrier oil. So I have a mason jar that I infuse this with. So I put in the calendula first. And I typically will fill the jar like halfway. Now, when it comes down to your carrier oils, you can use different carrier oils. Jojoba oil is very, very great for the skin. So it's olive oil. I tend to also use a lot of sweet almond oil. So those are just a few. I mean, some people use sunflower oil. So just do your research to determine which carrier oil that you want to use to infuse your calendula. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour the oil, whatever your carrier oil is, you're going to pour it so that it covers all of the calendula. You want to cover it. And I know y'all can't see this girl because the camera was not focusing. It was not focusing, okay? So don't worry about it. Me, because I like to heat my oils to help speed up the process of the infusion. So I just have a pot on the stove for about 8 to 10 minutes with the calendula in the mason jar, heat protected mason jar. And I let it infuse for like 8 to 10 minutes. And then after it heats up a little bit, I then cover it and set it to the side for about four weeks. Now, a lot of times you can infuse this in the heat and you can use it right away, but I never really use the calendula right away anyway. I'm using it in products such as my serums and my bar soaps and some of the facial cleansers that I produce. So yeah, and you just leave it there for about 4 to 6 weeks, and there you have it. You have your calendula oil ready to go. It's very soothing for the skin, and it's just something that will truly benefit you. Like when I tell you that it works so great on stretch marks, it works really great on stretch marks. It works really great to speed up the collagen production. It is just a good overall herb to have in your kitchen, just for other healing, for other healing factors. This calendula oil, I really use it on my eczema because eczema, those of you who are familiar with eczema or who have eczema, y'all know this crap can, like, these breakouts, when they do break out, when the eczema does break out, baby, it can be very itchy, very uncomfortable, sometimes very sore, just depending on the severity of your eczema. This oil is a life changer when it comes down to eczema and psoriasis. So again, this is just, one of the oils, or one of the flowers, I should say, that I infuse. I have a couple different flowers that I infuse because I like to, of course, make my own products for my skincare line. And this is just one of them. And it's one of the staples that I like to use. So if you want to know more about calendula, just do not forget to put it in the comments area below. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next one. Guys, do not forget to always aspire to inspire someone every single day. If you have not done so already, please, please, please hit that subscribe button so that way you're notified when I release videos. All right now.